In today's matchup, we have Brompton Primary from St. Elizabeth going up against Windward Road Primary from St. Andrew.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, students will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Windward Road Primary won. They decided that Brompton Primary should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Brompton Primary, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which commandment tells us that we should not steal?
Six.
Incorrect. The 8th commandment. Bible knowledge to you, Windward Road. Which commandment tells us to honor our father and mother?
5.
Correct. The 5th commandment. Science to you, Brompton. What instrument is used to measure the force or speed of a wind?
Anemometer.
Correct. Science to you, Windward Road. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure?
Barometer.
Correct. Brompton, Jamaican Affairs. Who is the Shadow Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade in Jamaica?
Hamina Johnson.
Incorrect. Lisa Hanna, Jamaican Affairs to you, Windward Road. Who is the Shadow Minister of National Security in Jamaica?
Philip Powell.
Incorrect. Fitz Jackson. English language, Brompton. Give a 5-letter word starting with V, which means the same as clear.
Vacant.
Incorrect. Vivid. English language, Windward Road. Give a 7-letter word starting with B, which means the same as shy. The question passes. Brompton, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
No, the answer is bashful. Still with you, Brompton, for television. In the movie The Princess and the Frog, what is the name of the princess?
Aurora.
Incorrect. Tiana. Windward Road, television. In the movie The Little Mermaid, what is the name of the mermaid?
Ariel.
Correct. General knowledge, Brompton. When is Valentine's Day worldwide?
February 6th.
Incorrect. February 14th. Windward Road, general knowledge. On which date is All Fool's Day celebrated worldwide?
April 1st.
Correct. Brompton, social studies. In which Jamaican county is Lover's Leap?
Cornwall.
Correct. Social studies to you, Windward Road. In which Jamaican county is a Denby showground?
Middlesex.
Correct. Music to Brompton. What is the middle name of reggae legend Bob Marley?
Nesta.
Correct. Music to you, Windward Road. What name was given to the 3 members of the female backing group for Bob Marley? The question passes. Brompton, would you like to try?
Yes, please. The eye trees.
Correct. And still with you for mathematics. What is the value of the Roman numerals DL?
550.
Correct. And mathematics for you, Windward Road. What is the value of the Roman numerals CM?
900.
Correct. Sports to Brompton. Complete the name of this US NBA team, the Golden State.
Of America.
Incorrect. Warriors. Sports to you, Windward Road. Complete the name of this US NBA team, the New York.
Jaguars.
Incorrect. Knicks. Jamaica. And that is the bell, signifying the end of section 1.
With round 1 complete, Windward Road Primary is ahead on 6 points, while Brompton Primary has 5 points.
Stay with us. This Quest for Quiz match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.